Hello NEET coders. So today we are going to see our question number 1773. Name of the question is count items matching a rule. So let's go to the description of the function. You are given an array items where each item has three values: type, color and name. Now at item you are given a rule represented by two strings, rule key and rule value. Now we have to find following. Now go to the ith item is set to match the rule if one of the following is true. Means the rule is matching if following is true. Rule key is type, then consider the first zeroth index, right? Rule value will be 0, so consider 0. If rule key is equal to color, then in that case consider the first index value, and rule key is name, then consider item at the second index in each item. So it's a 2D array, and 2D array we have to find a column, right? Basically we are going to search for column and count the number of matching columns, okay, matching column values in a row. So let's go to the example. So here we are given rule key as color and rule value as silver. So ignore silver for now. Rule key is color. Now color is at index 1 in the items. So for each item in the items array, we have to find that which item has silver at its first index. Means silver value should be present in the first index of that item. So in that case, if you observe, this is the first item, right? In this first item, for index 1 the value is blue, for this it is silver, so answer is 1, so count will be incremented by 1, then it is good, so answer will be 1 only, so 1 is returned. If you observe here, 1 is returned. Now let's go to the second example. Now rule key, observe rule key type. Now type is at index 0, so we have to find phone at index 0 for how many items in the items array. Okay, so if you observe here, phone is, this is the first item, it has phone at the 0th index, so counter will be incremented by. This is the second item. Here computer is in the 0th index, so it is not equal to phone. Computer is not equal to phone, so it is not what we want, so still counter is at 1 because of this. Now the third element. Okay, in the third element at the 0th index we have phone, so it is matching. So there are two items in the items array where 0th index value is phone, so answer is 2. Okay, so in that way we have to calculate. Now let's go to the implementation part. Let's consider we have to find the index first. So according to the rule key, we will define a index. By default we will consider for 0. If it is color, then we will consider index as 1. If it is name, rule key is name, then we will consider index 2. Okay, so ind plus 2, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 1, 1, so like that. And ans is the counter, count number of matching values what we want. So ind is stored. So we are going to iterate with the help of this loop on each items and check if the item I of ind means that item at index is equal to rule value, then increment the counter, else do nothing and return the ans. So this is the accepted solution. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.